How long have you stayed without sex?
Like 2-3 years.
Every day.
4 years with
2 months.
1 year.
2 years.
6 months.
2 weeks.
Married. No get limit.
9 months.
Of course, it's not that hard. It's just sex.
How long have you stayed without sex?
Years.
How many years?
Like 2-3 years.
It's too long now.
Why?
Even 1 week save too much.
So how long can you stay without sex?
Yes, every day.
yes, I can stay. Yes,
Like, what's the highest or minimum time you can stay without sex?
I can stay 3 years, 4 years without sex.
I've never done it before. But yeah, why not? Yes, I could. Well, I can.
How long can you stay without sex?
The least I've done, I think 2 months.
Obviously, I can. What's the big deal?
Okay. How long have you stayed without sex?
2 years.
Well, I can stay for as long as a year, but like I said, if I see the opportunity of having sex, of course I would.
How long have you stayed without
6 months.
I've done a year before. Okay, I've done years before I actually did it, so stay for as long as I want to. It all depends.
I'm talking about since you started having sex, how long have you stayed away from sex?
9 months.
Max?
Yeah.
2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks.
Okay, so you can't stay like a month, a year?
Once I've started, no.
Which can you deal with in a relationship? Body odor, mouth odor, or snoring?
Snoring.
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 Snoring. Snoring.
Snoring.
Snoring.
Snoring.
Snoring.
Snoring. None of the above, I beg.
My nose is way too sensitive for anyone to have either of the other two. Snoring, I can go to the other room, come back to the relationship, but the rest, nah, I can't.
It's only at night. And I can actually move to the other room or use pillow to cover my ears or any other thing.
Because it only lasts for the night. In the morning, he's not going to snore in the morning, so I'll do very well with snoring. Body odor, I can't. Mouth odor,
Snoring.
I will not carry. I better pass my neighbor by my side. I beg.
Odour, I'll go for snoring because at least I can use the earpiece to sleep. You understand? For mouth odor, jeez, I can't even kiss the person safe. For what again? Body odor, jeez, no. I don't like body odor. Like, in fact, you smelling bad self is off.
Snoring, we could decide to sleep in the same room. I mustn't sleep in the same room with you while you snore. But then body odor, no.